Today we are going to replace a door switch for the light. What happened was that my son would take a jar out of the fridge and he dropped it, went down, broke on that switch. 90% of the appliances you can do yourself, repairs it yourself. Just look at videos like the one you're watching now. Especially refrigerators, you either got the door switch, temperature sensors, or the defrost. It's really all that go wrong with them. Of course, if compressor goes out, then better just buy a new fridge. This has happened to be a Maytag 18 cube top freezer. This is a basement fridge, so I do got a work light here because there ain't a lot of light down here that I'm have. And I got this. I got replaced on Amazon. It came to. It's all the way it came to. For $8, and that's a part that broke when that jar hit it. I do have the power off. I have the plug pulled. Even if the power off, there's still power to them. So it should be pretty simple to replace this. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a screwdriver to this and just pull this off. Like I said, I just watch YouTube videos like this, you repair anything, right? And these are pretty standard. Either come 3-prong or 2-prong. So before you replace this, place it, just pull it out, make sure that it has 2 or 3 prongs on it. And there is a replacement. And you save you a lot of money doing this stuff yourself, guys. It's simple. I got a spare in case he does drop another jar on this switch. Get back in. Plug it in. And there we go. We have light. All right, guys. Simple repair. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.